Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to calculate a simple moving average in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you want to smooth out fluctuations in your data and identify trends over time, whether you're tracking sales, website traffic, or any other metric that changes daily. First, you'll need to head over to workspace.google.com and log into your account. Once you've entered your credentials and signed in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard. This is where all your Google files and tools are organized, making it easy to access everything you need. From the dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to calculate the simple moving average. For this example, let's say you have a spreadsheet with two columns, one labeled days and another labeled sales. The sales numbers are changing day by day, and you want to understand the overall trend without getting distracted by daily ups and downs. Now here's where the moving average comes into play. Let's say you want to calculate the average for every 3 days. This means you'll be smoothing out the data by taking groups of 3 consecutive days at a time. To start, click on an empty cell next to your sales data, perhaps in the third row if you're calculating a 3-day average. This is where your first moving average result will appear. In that cell, type equals average open parenthesis. This function tells Google Sheets you want to calculate the average of a specific range. Now carefully select the range of the first 3 sales data points. For example, if your sales data is in cells B2, B3, and B4, click and drag to highlight those 3 cells. Once you've selected the range, close the formula with a closing parenthesis and hit the Enter key. Google Sheets will instantly calculate and display the average of those 3 values. Now comes the really convenient part. You'll notice a small blue circle or square appears at the bottom right corner of the cell where you just entered the formula. Click on that blue circle and drag it downwards along the column. As you drag, Google Sheets will automatically apply the same formula to the cells below, adjusting the range for each row. This means each subsequent cell will calculate the average of the next set of 3 days, creating a complete moving average column without you having to manually type the formula over and over again. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a simple moving average in Google Sheets that updates dynamically as you drag the formula down. This gives you a clear view of trends in your data, making it easier to spot patterns and make informed decisions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.